One of my favorite aspects of Richmond is the people that live here.
They're so welcoming, they're so hospitable, they care about each other.
We're your hometown grocery store, and you can come in, shop at Kroger, and then we can in turn give back to local organizations that are meaningful to you.
We're currently creating and developing an innovation station here at Midlothian where we're going to have TV screens and whiteboard tables to make a more collaborative setting for our students. That's where the Kroger Rewards program has definitely benefited our school.
We really couldn't do what we do without the support of Kroger. Not only do they donate to us financially throughout the year, they also donate excess food product to Feed More and our partner agencies every single day to provide food to those in need in their communities.
There's a lot of food waste in this country. It doesn't have to be. We have pantries assigned to every Kroger store in this area where they come pick up food from Kroger, which helps my friends at Kroger save on a lot of waste. They're setting a wonderful example for the rest of the country and the rest of corporate America.
Kroger is dedicated to being a community partner, and it's been great to see that come to life right here in Richmond.
Most Special Olympic athletes, if you asked them, what do you want to be? They would probably simply tell you they'd like to be included, which means they'd like to be your neighbor, your coworker, probably more importantly, your friend.
Thank you, ma'am. You have a great day, and you come back and see us again, okay? I love working for Kroger here at this store because of the customers and the associates. I worked for Kroger for 16 years, and I've made a difference with Kroger and in the community.
One thing I can tell you about going to Kroger stores is you see people from all different walks of life who work there. We've had LGBTQ youth who find jobs at Kroger, and the ability to say that this is going to be a safe place for them to work is really important. So we're grateful that they're an equal opportunity employer.
Kroger customers come in here and they feel, I am glad I'm doing business with Kroger. They're taking care of my needs, and they really care about the community. Not with what they say, but what they do on a daily basis.
I see Kroger here in Richmond committed to our community, committed to making a difference, to supporting Komen, supporting breast cancer survivors, supporting all of us. I go back to Kroger every day because of that.